give me, you give me fever. Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. Listen to me, baby. Hear every word I say. No one can love you the way I do, cause I don't know how to love my way. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever, fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Sunlight at the daytime, moon lights up the night. My eyes light up when you call my name, cause I know you are gonna treat me right. Bless my soul, I love you. Take this heart away. Take those arms I never used and just believe in what my lips have to say. Give me the fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Everybody got the fever, that is something you should know. Fever is such a nuisance, fever started long ago. You give me fever, you give me fever, fever. You give me fever, give me fever. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever all when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Romeo loved Juliet, Juliet she felt the same. When she put arms around her, he said, baby you are my flame. He gave me fever. Captain Smith and Pancratus had a very mad affair. When her dad tried to kill him, she said, Daddy, oh don't you dare. He gave me fever. When he kisses, fever when he holds me tight. Fever when he holds fever. I'm his mistress. Daddy, won't you treat me right? Fever when you kiss them. Fever if you live and learn. Fever till you sigh, when a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn.